If you're wondering why I look like a Christmas tree with a tutu, that's a valid question. Hello people of the internet! So today I have a bit of an improvised video. I wasn't planning on filming today, but I randomly decided last night that I was going to go and buy some ribbon in an actual shop. So I'm going to go to a big sort of department store, and I know they have a big sewing section there. So I figured I might end up getting a little bit more than just what I went to get. I'm probably not going to talk a lot because people are going to think I'm nuts, but I will film a bit and I will show you what I end up getting. Hello from the future! I want to add a little bit of a note. I had a different idea of what this video could become when I started recording, and then it kind of developed into something else. As you may know, my first project for this channel has been an 18th century men's shirt, which I still haven't finished at this point, by the way. It's on the works. Occasionally I would like to wear that shirt with a hairstyle that is inspired by 18th century men's hairstyles. That's kind of what I'm going for here. Hopefully tomorrow, which is Christmas Day, by the way, it's Christmas Eve today, I will attempt this hairstyle and I will show you how it looks. Cue the shopping that I did the other day, and in a minute I will explain what I'm going to do today. Hello again. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear anything I'm saying with this face mask, but I'm on the bus. I'm on my way back. Didn't end up getting any of the patterns because they didn't have that much vintage. So I got this red ribbon. It's a little bit wider than I wanted it. I also got this green one and it has gold glitter. I'm not sure if you can see anything at all. And then since I was already there, I also decided to get this sewing box because my sewing stuff is all over the place at the moment. So what I'm going to do today is prepare the ribbons that I bought the other day, and also one that I got online. If you're wondering why I look like a Christmas tree with a tutu, that's a valid question. I'm wearing point shoes too, in case you were wondering. I was in the process of taking a Dancy Christmas picture. Yes, I am wearing a tutu. Yes, I am wearing Christmas lights. I'm owning it. Don't judge. Here's one of the ribbons that I bought. I also got some freight check online, and I've done a bit of testing because it tends to change a bit the color when you put it on. To be honest, I'm not too bothered about that. I'll be really careful just to do the very edge. Okay, so ribbons are done, video is recorded, and I'll see you for a completed hairstyle with this stuff. Merry Christmas everyone, even if you're going to be watching this in January or February or who knows when.